and this is how it works. So as you can see, my motorcycle was stolen and we recovered it, and the ignition lock cylinder is broken because they hot wired it. So we're gonna replace the ignition lock, we're gonna replace the gas tank cap, because all the kit is coming like the ignition lock, the rear seat lock, and the gas tank cap. So we will have just one key for all of them. So we're gonna replace this one as well, and we're gonna replace the rear seat lock as well. As you can see, here is the rear seat lock cylinder, and in case if you lost the key, you can just remove the seat. It's gonna be one bolt here, one bolt on another side. You remove the bolts, and after you get access, right there, it's a wire. You see that wire? Screwdriver inside. I'm gonna pull that wire like this, and once you pull the wire, with one hand you can raise up the seat, and as you can see, the seat, it's unlocked. We're gonna pull it on the table, and now we're gonna remove this plastic cover that goes around the subframe, and we'll get access to the cylinder lock right here. And this is where it goes. You can see I removed only these two clips right here and right here, and after you go under, and here is a bolt, you remove this bolt right here and one clips right here, and you will be able to slide it to the side and raise it up. Once you raise it up, you don't even need to remove it completely, you get access to the cylinder lock. And now we're gonna pull this tab out, disconnect the wire, and replace the so we're gonna pull out this tab that is holding it in place. Once the tab is out, we can, as you can see, it's already coming out, but first we need to disconnect the wiring. So we're gonna pull out the green wire. The green wire, it's out, and now we can pull it out like this. Now we can spin the ignition lock around and pull out the wire completely. See, this is the old one. Here's our new one. Looks cool, it's blue color, I like it. And here is our new bracket, but we can reuse the old one as well. And here is the clip, retainer clip that is holding it in place. Now we're gonna install it back in, and I'm gonna use the old bracket. As you can see, our new ignition lock is in, and this is how it works. Don't forget to put the retainer clip, and this is how it's connected right here. And this is the lock on the top.